Okay, so I decided to pick up one of these new Windows Surface Pro 11 and upgrade my laptop. It passed me down what I'm using to a couple of my kids, and I wanted something that hopefully could work a little bit better with a couple of the graphics program and my workflow related to video editing and photo editing and stuff. I don't do a ton of it, but when I do want to get something that kind of works. And I had the Samsung Intel i7, and I've had very difficult time with it. With 16 gig of RAM, running into some buffering issues with CapCut, and running into some definitely slow processing with Neo. So trying this out and see how this works, and hopefully it'll be a keeper. This is the kind of, I think, the top of the line Microsoft solution here, of Microsoft Surface Pro here. This is the 32 gig version, 1 terabyte version, and I have this keyboard that is packaged with it. So I bought that package bundle. This is the non-Bluetooth piece, although when you look at the documentation, it kind of says there is Bluetooth, but I don't think there is on this one. And this one is not the Flex version, Flex Pro version, but hopefully it'll work. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to take it apart and work it separately from the laptop or the Surface Pro device, but I will see how it works with it. All right, so let's see how this works out. And obviously the keyboard opens up. It looks like this, and it's really fairly thin. And it's a gray model. It's bundled with this silver platinum laptop that comes with this bundle. And I really don't like gray, so I'm going to try to see if maybe Best Buy can swap it to a blue or something. I kind of don't like this really dull version, but hopefully it works out well, and so we'll find out. Now the most important piece is this guy, right? So this is the piece that I'm really going after, and I'm hoping that it's going to do a better job at my video editing and photo editing, and so it's not going to bog me down so much to the point where it's not usable. I had a 16 gig RAM on the Samsung i7, and yeah, at some point after a little bit of video editing, it will consume that RAM and it won't do anything else. So let's find out how this one works. And hope this is a 32 gig of RAM, and it should be plenty for what I'm doing. So we'll see. So you open that little tab, and it looks like this. Looking forward to it. It looks like this, and you pull this and it comes out. So this is the silver model. It's 13-inch memory slot on the side, the camera there, the USB on the C on the side here, and the back looks kind of white. And I think that's just a cover. Oh, that's the front cover. And so I'm gonna yank that out. This is the back that has the stand, the kickstand here. So pretty sleek product. This is the first Microsoft Surface Pro that I ever own, or at least try to own anyway. I've been using the laptops, the Surface laptops, but have never really owned this guy. So we'll see how it looks. Ready or not. Okay. Very reflective. So one thing that I've read a lot of review and watched some videos on that, I think it's going to be somewhat kind of bothersome. So I'm going to try to buy a reflector and use it, a reflector reducer or glare reducer, and use it. So hopefully it won't be this reflective, but you can see how reflective this is against my ceiling here. And I don't have a ton of lighting in here, so pretty reflective, right? Pretty reflective. All right, but it looks like a beautiful laptop. Kind of thin, and so I just want to set it up, let it sit, and see what it looks like, I guess. Just like that. It's dark. Okay, so I am going to set it up, and I'm going to see how it looks like. Hopefully it'll be the go-to one that's going to do the job for me. Cool. More to come on that one. Okay, so a little bit of update to this guy. Because of so much reflection on this laptop. This is the Surface Pro Elite with the Snapdragon Elite. This is the top of the line, Microsoft Pilot PC laptop, Surface Pro laptop, and it's the 32 gig one. And so yeah, there was a lot of reflection on the screen, and so I went ahead and bought a matted, very thin protection screen on it that took a lot of the reflection away. And this is, I have quite a bit of light on the ceiling, and you can see like there is not a lot of reflection here, so it really tremendously helped a lot. And the effect on it is not that bad, and I think for what I do is really worth it, because the reflection was quite a bit. So, and I hope Microsoft will fix that the next go round, but but right now it looks great without a lot of glare right now, and I have a lot of light, spotlight from the ceiling, so this is really good. All right, so I've been working with it for a little while, and yeah, the performance is not very good for video editing, particularly, and picture processing and exporting is very slow as well. Not very good for it. It's the 32 gig RAM, but just does not do a good job at it either. So I was hoping that it would be decent enough for as an all-around laptop, Surface Pro, but very slow at processing video, editing video, and it gets very hot, very fast when you process video, and obviously the battery also drains very fast when you process video or do heavy things. And I've tried it both on recommended mode, I've tried it on kind of mid performance mode, and I've tried it on high performance mode. And it seems like yeah, when you put on high performance mode, it kills the battery a lot quicker. But even under standard or recommended, it's still pulling a lot of battery out. Drains it quite fast. When when I process video and stuff like that, especially bigger video that takes some time, it really drains this laptop out fairly quickly. So overall, I mean, it's a nice laptop, beautiful laptop, but yeah, I'm not for what you know I'm doing with video and stuff. Yeah, it's really messing up with the laptop, and it's not doing a great job. It heats up quite a bit, and it's slow at exporting, processing, and stuff like that. So, definitely for video editors and photos and stuff like that, you definitely need something bigger, something that has a lot more video processing capability than this guy. All right, just want to update that and yeah, put it out there. My experience with it, it's a good general RPC for general use. I haven't really make a ton of use of the AI capability, um, of it yet. I'm not a true fan of it yet, so I am kind of taking slow on it. But yeah, in terms of the regular stuff that I'm doing, it's just not that good. It's a good all around laptop. Um, but honestly, if you're looking for video and a good photograph or photography editing laptop, this is not it. And yeah, it's quite expensive for the price. And for general laptops and functionality, you could probably use a lot less and not pay this kind of heavy price. So just my thought on it. Good luck with it.